so I'm going to show you one of my favorite websites to use. This website also has an app that I get on as well. So right here, I'm on the app version, but it's really the same as the website. So you see here, this is pretty much the home page. It has surveys that you can take. Their surveys, they do pay a good amount. And on top of that, they do pay disqualification points. Now, the thing is like they do it different than a lot of other sites. Whenever you disqualify for a survey, or when you complete the survey, it doesn't matter. You have what you call a scratch and win bar bonus that goes up. So you see here at the top, those 3 money signs in that little bar. You get that, to each money sign, you're able to make, money and, kind of scratch it off and win. So I'm going to show you how it works. So basically, I'm going to click on it, and it's going to allow me to basically do like a scratch and win. Usually win anywhere between like 5 to 10 cents, depending on which level you got. So I'm at the 3rd money sign, so I'll scratch this one and just scratching it off here. And you see there, I won 10 cents for doing that. So, I mean, it's not a lot, but, like I said, every survey that you take, whether you qualify for it or not, you're going to get some, towards your scratch and win progress on that. So that's really cool. You can really, fill that up pretty much like every, day or so. So now going back to the home page again, these are all of the surveys. You can get paid to read emails here. So I'm gonna click on the paid email section, and all of these emails that has been taking me a while to get to, I get 2 cents for each email. So all I do is click on the email, go to confirm paid email, and click on that 2 cents just like that. You don't have to, do anything special with it. Like I said, all you're doing is clicking on the email, confirming the paid email, and you'll get 2 cents for each one. They do send you a lot of emails each day, so don't be like me and wait this long before you're actually checking on these emails. But it's very easy. It's just another way if you can earn money. I don't really know any site that's really offering paid emails. Just 2 cents just for opening them. You know what I'm saying? So it's really cool. There's some good offers in here if you want to try them. But if you don't, like I said, you're still getting 2 cents. So I like to go through and do all my emails when I get to doing it. So I'm going to finish these last 2, just basically confirming them. And then, my balance, it'll go up. I'm not really sure how much I've clicked on, but like I said, 2 cents for each of them. It's really cool. So I'm going to do this last one real quick. And now I go back. My balance is $17. Now that's really cool. You can cash out at a minimum of $10 with this site. All you need is $10. You can go up to more, but these are the different reward options that they have, different ones. Amazon, they got a lot of retail gift cards on here, different stores you can visit. They also have PayPal, which is the one I cash out the most on. And I'm going to cash out on PayPal on this video right here. So these are all the options they have. They're definitely something in here that you can use. They got Visa, Walmart gift cards. So like I said, I'm going to do the PayPal gift card. And like I said, it's a minimum of $10, but I have 15 at least. So I'm going to click on 15 right here. And then the PayPal symbol will pop up. Just click on it, making sure that everything is correct. So I would click confirm. And then it'll actually put in my password, but all that's in there already. So now $15 will be sent to my email. Congratulations on your redemption. So now I go back to the home page and I'll just refresh it. My balance should go down to about $2, I think. So yeah, there it is right there. So I mean, this website / app is really cool. I've been using it for years, literally. I cash out on it very, very often. So I really encourage you guys to sign up for it. I will leave the link to it in the description. It is completely free to use. Get started with it today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.